Hi fam! It's me, Elaine. Pa-check-in kami ngayon sa Dositani Resort. Pag may birthday sa amin, instead of hosting a party, mas gusto namin mag-staycation na lang so we can relax and make more memories as a family. Dusit is one of my favorite hotel in Guam. The best ang location kasi it's right in the middle of everything. Lakas makaturista, diba? Wait until you see the room and the view from the balcony. Ayan, papasok na kami. Tadan! Just look at this room. Ang ganda, di ba? Imagine paggising mo and you open the curtain, this is your view. Mapapa-thank you Lord ka na lang talaga. Alam mo, bigla akong napaisip. Grabe, hanggang ngayon na-amaze pa rin ako. Kasi dati sa Pinas, once a year lang yata kami nakakapag-swimming. At hindi ganito kasosyal ha, per entry pa ang uso noon. Mga 50 pesos lang yata sa field view. O kareng kalupa kong Kapampangan Ken na taga Guagua. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, especially yung mga millennials. Kaya ngayon, being here in this beautiful place with my family, I'm just reminded God really turned things around. And what makes it even more special is seeing my kids experience this. Yung saya nila, it fills my heart. I feel so blessed to witness this moment with them. I'm not saying this to brag, but to encourage. Because if God can do it for us, He can do it for you too. So wherever you are right now, whatever season you're in, don't lose hope. He sees you, He's writing your story. And sometimes, the most unexpected chapters are the sweetest. It says in Psalms 126:3, "The Lord has done great things for us, and we are filled with joy." Kung may pinagdadaanan ka ngayon, or maybe you feel like nothing's changing, don't give up. Keep trusting, keep praying. God is faithful. And one day, you'll look back and say, "Grabe, Lord, the best ka talaga." So from our family to yours, sending love, hope, and a reminder that your story is still unfolding. God bless sa inyo!